A tree can warn another tree that danger is coming without making a sound. Imagine an insect starts chewing on a tree's leaves. The damaged tree doesn't just sit there and take it. It can release airborne chemicals called volatile organic compounds. And nearby plants can detect some of these chemical signals. But here's the strange part. They may respond by increasing certain chemical defenses against herbivores. And the story gets even bigger. Plants can also interact with organisms around their roots, creating underground chemical and biological connections. So a forest isn't just a collection of silent trees. It can be a network of chemical signals and biological interactions. Would you call that a plant conversation? Comment yes or no and follow for more nature facts.